Hi guys, so you're most welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Abynah and you're most welcome to my cuisine. For my very first recipe here on this channel, I'll be making some crepes, popularly referred to as pancakes in Ghana. So let me walk you through the ingredients. I'll be using a half cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 whole egg, pinch of salt, nutmeg, baking powder, milk, vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of melted margarine, water and coconut oil. So I started off by mixing all my dry ingredients together, which are flour, salt, sugar, nutmeg and baking powder, and I made sure that I mixed them together thoroughly. Next up was to add my wet ingredients, which were melted margarine, milk, egg and my vanilla essence. After adding all my wet ingredients, I made sure to stir it thoroughly until I had my desired mixture. At this point, I realized the consistency of my mixture was too thick, so I kept adding in a bit of water until I had the desired consistency that I preferred. Mixture is ready now, and this is how the consistency should look like. It shouldn't be too thick and not too watery as well. To fry my crepes, I'll be using my coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice or even margarine. Personally, I prefer the taste that it gives after you are done frying the crepes. That's why I chose to use the coconut oil. I then proceed to put my pan on fire. Note that the fire shouldn't be too high and not too low. It should be on medium heat. After pouring a little bit of coconut oil into the pan, I wait for it to heat up and then pour some of the mixture into the pan. Note that I make sure that I spread it out evenly in the pan. Once the mixture turns to dry up, you then proceed to use your spatula to turn it. After turning it, you wait for some few minutes for the flipped end to get well cooked. Then you fold it to your desired shape. This is how your crepes is supposed to look like after you are done frying it. Repeat the same steps I used in frying if you want some more crepes. That's the final outcome of my crepes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and you can leave your comment in the comment section area. Thanks for watching.